Hello, this is your channel, Sosanasa 1 in English. I'm the electromechanical engineer Emmanuel, and now we're going to start a new video. And now I'm going to show you a mini course of how to use this little digital multimeter. This is a basic digital multimeter. If this is your first time you watch this item, this electronic item, now I'm going to show you how to use this quickly. This is very useful to solve a lot of problems from electric and electronic items. But for solve these problems, we need to measure or test in which part is the problem. It's not working correctly. And for this, we use a digital multimeter. Let's start. Now, let me show you the different parts of this digital multimeter. First, here we have the screen. This space is for watch the numbers. The numbers from 0 to 1000 and other levels of numbers. And the meanings of these numbers depends on the mode I choose. These spaces are mode. For example, this mode is direct current voltage. This mode is for measure voltage. Voltage from a battery like this. For example, this battery has this kind of voltage. And these numbers inside the mode, these numbers are levels of voltage inside the mode. And we choose one level depending on the estimate voltage of the thing that we want to measure. For example, if this battery has 1.5 volts, in this case, I can choose, for example, 1000 volts can measure 1.5 volts because 1.5 volts is lower than 1000 volts. I can choose 200 volts, 20 volts, and 2 volts. This is 2000 millivolts, that is the same than 2 volts. But if I choose 200 millivolts, I can't measure 1.5 volts because this number is lower than 1.5 volts. Always choose a number higher than the voltage that you think that you're going to measure. This rule applies to the other all modes. For know the difference between the modes, we watch this line. For example, this line, this white line, is for know that from this point to this point is for measure voltage from battery. This yellow line is for know that from this point to this point is for measure voltage, but this voltage is a voltage from power outlets in this case. For example, I mean a power outlet like this. If we want to know how many volts has this power outlet for measure this voltage, we use this mode. In this mode, inside this mode, we have two levels of voltage. In this case, 200 volts or 750 volts, depending on the voltage that we are going to measure. If we want to measure a voltage higher than 750 volts, we must to buy other digital multimeter, because with this digital multimeter we can't measure a voltage higher than 750 volts. And continuing, this mode is for measure battery too, but in this case it's only for measure battery of 1.5 volts or 9 volts only. This is only for know if has enough charge. This other mode with this green line is direct current amps. This is for measure current from 200 microamps to 200 milliamps. This other mode is for measure current, but in this case, this is for measure current from 0 amps to 10 amps. This is for test transistors. And this is for test LED, light emitting diodes or LEDs, this kind of light. And this is for measure electric resistance. We use this for measure or test electric resistance. And this space is for test transistors, depending of the kind of transistor, if is NPN or PNP. For use this space, we must to choose this point or this mode. This is a selector. We use this for move between the modes and between the levels inside the mode. This number are levels inside each mode. And we choose a level inside a mode depending of the size of the things that we want to measure. Now, let's do some practice using the digital multimeter. Now, let's watch here. These spaces on the digital multimeter is for connect the test probe. I mean, this in my hand are the test probe. We use this to connect the digital multimeter to anything that we want to test or measure. And for connect this to the digital multimeter, we need to connect these connectors. This connector has color. These colors is for positive and negative when we want to measure voltage here or here. Now, for connect this is very easy. We watch here this cone. Cone means common. We connect this here and now take the other and connect here if we want to measure or test any of these modes. Any of these modes from this to this. But if you want to measure current here, you need to change disconnect from here and connect here. Only for this mode. But for all other modes in this digital multimeter, connect always here. Now, turn on the digital multimeter moving this key. And now we are watching the leaf number on the digital multimeter screen. Now, let's use this digital multimeter to measure or test some things. The first test that we are going to do now is this. Take here a power outlet. This is a power outlet. And here, choose the mode to measure power outlets. That is ACV. This is altered current voltage. This is very important. Choose this. In the country that I'm now, the normal voltage from a power outlet like this is 110 volts. This means You can choose here 750 volts. It's okay. You can measure in this lever inside this mode, or choose 200 volts. In this case, move the selector and ready. And now our digital multimeter is ready. Now the next step is connect the digital multimeter to the power outlet. This is very easy. Okay? Now introduce the test probe inside the power. Like we are watching on the digital multimeter screen, now we have here 116.5 volts. This is correctly this voltage. In this case, like we are watching, the digital multimeter is measure the voltage from this power outlet now in this way. Now disconnect, ready. And now we are going to use other mode of this digital multimeter. Choose direct current voltage in this case. Move the selector here. Move the selector. And now we want to measure a voltage from this battery. This battery has 1.5 volts. With this information, now I can choose the lever inside the mode more quickly. In this case, we are going to choose a number higher than 1.5 volts. In this case, we are going to choose 20 volts. In this lever inside this mode, this means that the digital multimeter can measure voltage from 0 to 20 volts. Okay. Okay. Now take the battery and touch one side in this way. Touch here, one side, and touch the other side. And watch the digital multimeter screen now. In this case, we have 1.67 volts. This is higher than 1.5 volts. This means this battery is working correctly, is good, is new, it's in excellent condition, because 1.67 is higher than 1.50. This means this battery is full of charge, is new. And in this way, you can test a battery like this using this mode and using this lever inside this mode. Now let's use other mode. Now we are going to test a light emitting diode, a LED. In this case, for this, we are going to choose this mode. This is the light emitting diode symbol. Move the selector and choose this mode. Now our digital multimeter is ready to test a LED. In this case, I have this LED. This is for watch if the LED power on or not. How we can test this LED? Very easy. This digital multimeter provides energy and voltage to power on a LED. And in this way, we can know if this is good or not in this way. If we watch the light from the LED, it's working. If the LED don't power on, it's damaged. In this case, only matter if the LED is powered on or not. Now, watch here, and with the test probe of the digital multimeter, do this. touch the LED in these points. In this point, touch the LED. If don't work, change the polarity because the LED has positive and negative pole. Move and change the test probe and connect in the other way. And let's watch. Yeah, it's working. Like we are watching, this red light in my fingers from the LED means the LED is working correctly, like we are watching. Now I can test other LED in the same way. Touch, only touch, it's working. Now let's to test other LED. It's working, it's good, and it's working correctly, like we are watching. With a digital multimeter, it's very easy to test this kind of lights. And in this way, using this digital multimeter, you can measure LED, batteries, and a power outlet like this. All this you can test using a digital multimeter like this. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe in our channel. Give me a like if you like this kind of content for continuing creating this content for you. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Now I have very important message for you. Subscribe to our channel Sosa NASA 1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.